Guys, we're going to do a cold start on the 2001 HD the right way. As you can see, the window still has condensation on it. Has not been started in about probably 4 days. Let's fire it up. Pretty chilly out this morning. There you go. It's like a charm. Great oil pressure. This is one good running truck. Has 181,000 miles on it. Beautiful plow, Fisher plow on it. 4-wheel drive, all works great. We'll get into that deeper, so keep your eye on the video. Guys, here goes the 2001 Duramax diesel. Sun's out. This weather should have been here in June and July. Tires are about as close to brand new as you're going to get. Nipples are still in between the treads here. Goodyear Wranglers, probably the best tires out. Fisher plow has been reconditioned and in great shape. 181,000 miles. The body is beautiful shape. Let's look for hardly any rust on this truck. A little bit on the frame, but here's the doors. Little surface rust on the frame. Rocker panels look good. Look like they had coated them so that they didn't cause a lot of problems down the road, but they're solid. No holes. There's a little bit of in there. This truck is perfect for having it rust proofed right now, and you will last you forever. Look at the hinges. Okay. Very clean, great running truck. If you're looking for a plow truck for dependability, here you go. Prior owner said that the injectors were changed by GM at 100,000 miles. So, cannot prove that, but I trust them. Has the mount for a hitch, fifth wheel hitch, or whatever you want to put in there. Has the brackets here already on. All you have to do, the holes are in the bed right there. The only problem with this whole body on this truck is when the trucker delivered it here, he put a strap over the bed, the box with the plow in it, and he put a small crease in it right here. It's started to crack it right there a little bit, but it's just above the gas cap, the filler door, and you can see it. If you look across it, you can see it right there at the top. Very repairable. Other than that, the body is absolutely beautiful. I don't think there's another ding in the door bodies anywhere. Interior has the vinyl factory mat, beautiful shape. Has the brake, the controller. Seats are in great shape. Look at this. No ripping. Little crack right there on the armrest, but other than that, thing is clean. Nice cup holders. Nice thing about the truck, the HDs have good cup holders in it. Doors are all in great shape. They shut beautifully. Has the Allison transmission, 181,000 miles again. Tires are like brand new. This truck is ready to work. It's always tough to find a good time to videotape when the sun's out or not out. Manuals are all in the glove box. Headliners are all in great shape. Very clean truck, guys. Don't find them like this very often. Cab corners are rock solid. Not full of Bondo. You saw the cold startup? That's how this truck is. Let's look at the tailgate. Very solid. Got some needles in it there. There's the bed. Bed liner. Gate shuts as it should. It's like that. Big hitch. Near perfect spare tire under here. Nice chrome on this truck. Light on top does work. Like I said, she's ready to go at it. Let's run the plow here a little bit so you can see it. It is a good working plow, guys. All painted up, cleaned up with some good Rust-Oleum paint, so she's ready for another few years of plowing. Okay, that's with the glow plugs on. Starts right up. Let's take it down the road real quick. Now there are, I always try to show it's dirty. The truck is really dirty. It'll clean up really well for you. We'll have it clean when we bring it down. But it'll be high bid at Repocast. Don't miss this one. But there's little things like this chrome right here coming off. Both sides have a little bit of that. Take a quick look at the motor. Engine, whatever you want to call it. Has the vent shades on the windows or doors. Nice ones. Nice job on those. Stick with me here. There she be. Batteries, this one here looks new. It's a Napa 75, but it starts up great. Has brand new spanking glow plugs and a brand new spanking glow plug relay. I know, because I put them in. You can look at them when you see them. Brand new starter. I know, I put it in. Has a brand new fuel filter, AC, also the brand new fuel mount. As you know, these are culprits for leaking air in. So we just replace them. When we get them, we just replace them. But listen to that engine. She's a good runner, guys. There's inside the radiator, reserve tank. The brakes on the back have been redone. New calipers, new discs. She's ready to rock and roll. Good luck to you. I'm going to take it down the road and then we'll shut this off. Lights all work. These Duramaxes are amazing trucks. Oil pressure is right up there. Allison transmission, this thing shifts so smooth. Windows are manual, of course. There's my hand off the steering wheel. There's my other hand going down the road straight. Right there. Let's give her a little bit of gas. Then we'll get up here, we'll try the old four-wheel drive, which goes perfect. I never do on the fly. Everything I've read says not to. Just takes a lot of life out of them when you have these are non-push button type deals, if you know what I mean. All right, we're in 4 high right now. You can see that. Sorry about this. There we go. All right, let's crank it off. All right, doing the notorious 4-wheel drive wheel dance when you're on pavement. Let's take it out. Okay, we're going down the road. Let's put her down. It's about half throttle right here. Here's full throttle. And we're coming up on the drive. We'll hit the brakes. We're going 60 miles an hour right now. And here we go. Going 50. And it stops on a pretty close to a dime. Stops good. Well, there you go, folks. Good luck to you guys. Go after it. You don't get them like this all the time that have been this well taken care of with low miles. There you go. Stereo works too. Heat works great in this truck as well. Take care. Bye-bye.